Henry's our tour guide.
Double strapped, he figured out how to stand up. He's been talking like this for 45 minutes. How long, honey? 30 minutes? Hasn't stopped. Pointing out everything.
Walk around, he is our tour guide.
What do you see? Dolphins? In the ocean? There's out the ocean out there. Yeah. You gonna show everybody the dolphins? Are they swimming around in there? They are. Oh, I'm in the way. Sorry. Oh, and he really likes these torches. We do not go by a torch without him pointing out a torch. Where are those little dolphins? Where'd they go? There's a mama and a baby and another one, but I don't know where they are.